So from any screen, on the phone screen there, any screen, click the nav. You've got to agree. First time you use it in the day. Sorry, my fingers are. Just go a bit further back still, just in case there's a lorry coming the other way, which sometimes happens. So again, back to nav, destination entry, there you go. Address, postcode, pick from map previous. We want postcode, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Walton Dale, Preston. P R. Again, the Range Rover, Land Rover system is really good. A lot of systems you have to swap over or find the numbers, but this automatically opens the numbers up. So PL5 4JS. So that's PL5 4JS. You've got to click OK. Destination. Destination's been set. And we still, after all that, we still have to click go.
Guidance will start when you join the highlighted route.